Want to blow your colleagues' minds at your next virtual meeting? Say hello to Google Beam. Say goodbye to awkward video calls and hello to the future. Google Beam, previously known as Project Starline, is here to revolutionize virtual meetings. Using a light field display, 6 cameras, and sophisticated AI, Beam creates a real-time 3D holographic representation of the person you're talking to. Imagine making eye contact, catching subtle cues, and feeling like you're in the same room, all from a video call. But wait, there's more. Google Beam is designed to be accessible and affordable, aiming to be priced similarly to current video conferencing systems. And it's not just about the hardware. Google wants other companies to create compatible devices, spreading this tech everywhere. Early trials show users are more engaged, attentive, and less fatigued. Plus, features like screen mirroring, live translation, and group calling are on the horizon. Get ready to experience meetings that don't suck. Google Beam is shipping to offices later this year. Are you ready to beam in?